Yep, we're at Silverwoods again. Same ramp, Black Hole. And this is Shay Richardson using the X-Ball mesh. X-rated, sorry. A limited edition mesh or something. Yeah. And then this is Ethan Ward riding the We the People Reason.
Fuck yeah.
And then this is Kieran Lavelle riding the
Tony Hawk Hot Jam limited edition.
Right then.
Series 2012.
Let's get to the jumps. Here Shay comes now. Going along. You alright with bottle? Mint. Cleared it. Here he comes now. Ethan Ward on his We the People. Come on, Ethan. Jump bottle. Perfect. Right then. Go Kieran.
From Kieran Lavelle. Oh! That one nice. And this is our cast.
Nasty.
Our cast, Ethan Ward, Kieran Lavelle,
Hell yeah.
and me.
What about Will?
But there's one last person. If you go then, Will. William Doherty on his felt punch. Cameraman for us three.
Lol.
And for all this work, Ethan Ward, Kieran Lavelle,
Shay Richardson.
Shay Richardson,
Don't worry, I'm not bi.
and Will. This guy ain't by the way. This guy ain't by the way.
I'm on Facebook, by the way, so
This guy.
add me on Facebook, cause you know.
Subscribe.
Thanks YouTube.
Oh, we want over 7K views.
Right.
Thanks YouTube.